Next theorem of circle theorems, theorem number 3, states equal chords of a circle or of congruent circles are equidistant from the center or centers. So if we consider only one circle, AB and CD are chords and O is the center. So AB is one chord, CD is another chord. As per theorem, equal chords, that means if these chords are same, so the condition is if AB is equal to CD, then their distance from the center, which means from center, chord CD is OE distant and chord AB is OF distant. So the distance of these two chords from the center will remain same. If chords are same, the distance from the center is also same. And what will be the inverse of the theorem? The opposite. Then we can state that if the distance from the center is same, if OE and OF are same, are equal, then the length of chord is same. In short form, how do you remember this theorem? Just remember that equal chords are equidistant. They are of equal distance from the center. This is in case of one circle. Now it says or of congruent circle. If you have another circle which is congruent to this circle, congruent would mean of same shape and same size. So in that case also, the chords, equal chords will be equidistant. If we have, say we have GH and JK, these two chords. Now if the circles are congruent, even these two will be from the center, they will be equidistant. Let us see an interactive of this theorem in GeoGebra. Now this is a circle. There are two chords AB and CD. Now let me change the length of chord. See, if I change the length of chord, that if you observe closely, the distance from the center of these two chords will remain same. Even if I change the length of the chord, let me change the length, I will just show you. See, I am changing the chord. As long as the chords are of equal length, they are equidistant. That means this, now let us see OM and ON. OM and ON are equal. The distance from the center remains the same. Even if I change the chord, let me change the chord. See, this is 1.91, 1.91. If I change the length of chord, 2.99, 2.99. So as long as the length of chord is same, the distance from center will be same. This is theorem number 3. Equal chords are equidistant.